Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about these best email AI assistants, which is Cora AI. So let's quickly dive into it. Cora AI is one of the most focused email assistants in 2025, built to cut through inbox clutter without replacing your existing setup. It works directly with Gmail, filtering non-urgent emails, sending your concise summaries, and drafting replies in your natural tone. The real advantages is how it learns your preference over time, getting smarter at prioritize level, and what matters most is keeping interruption to a minimum. The drawback is that it's limited to Gmail user for now, and so if you use Outlook or multiple accounts, you were out of the lock. Some users may also prefer more control over filtering rather than handling it off to AI. Still, if you want a lightweight, privacy-conscious tools that serves our every week, Cora AI stands out as one of the best email assistants in 2025, and that's it.